All right, good morning. We are looking at activity 2.1 today, which is analyzing apparatus. You will have 4 different investigations that I will be putting videos on. You will have the floating magnet, which is what I'm going to do now. You have air-powered car. All of these are going to be separate little videos. The flying balloon, and then I'm going to put the magnetic cannon back up there from our previous lesson. One thing that we're going to discuss is what you think a force is. Okay, so think about that for a minute. If you need to, pause. Okay. So I'm going to have the 4 different videos up. It's signaling signifying the 4 different stations that you would have had if you were in the classroom. And we're going to use our idea of forces to explain what you observe with each device. So one of the questions, you're going to have the 4 scenarios listed in iQuest, and then you are going to have the same 3 questions after. Okay, the first question asks, which components of the device affect its motion? Construct a diagram of the device that shows these components. So the term component, okay, the definition is one of a group of objects that together form a complex whole. So if you think back to the magnetic cannon that we did in lesson activity 1.1, the components of the magnetic cannon were the balls, the magnets, and the rail. So like the parts that made that that whole idea kind of work, that concept work. So that's what components mean. So that's question number 1. Now when you do your drawings, I'm okay with you inserting a shape. Even if you just want to put it in words, you don't necessarily have to do a drawing, because I know sometimes in those little drawing boxes, it's very difficult to insert a diagram and share it. So whatever way works for you. If you just want to type it out in words, that's fine. Or if you want to spend a little bit of time and actually construct a diagram. The second question that all 4 of these devices are going to have is, what are the forces acting on the components of the device that influence its motion? So basically, what is causing the motion? Okay, what components? And again, the word components is just like the parts of that scenario. And then question 3, it says, how does the device work? Use a diagram as a model to explain your ideas. Okay.